To succeed in Forex, you need to have that one setup that never backfires on you. And in this video, I will show you my favorite setup that I usually wait for it on Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, and it never backfires on me. It always pays me my mind. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's jump into the video. So as you can see, we will look at US 30 because it gave us the perfect setup yesterday. Now my process is simple. I am only looking to trade at the high or at the low of the week. Now scrolling a bit back, we see Monday set the high, Tuesday set the low, Wednesday we got a setup on Wednesday, but it was not my most favorite, my best setup. But on Thursday we had a setup that never disappoints me. So the process is simple. Between 8 and 11, that is when I'm looking for my setup. And I'm looking for one thing. I am looking for a breakout first. So where did we have our breakout? This was the high of the week prior to 8. This was 7:45, 7:30, 7:45. Now at 8 we have our breakout. That is when now my mind is triggered. Oh, we might be setting up for some money. Now once we have the breakout, that breakout, I am looking for the 15-minute time frame to give me a reversal pattern. So a reversal pattern is just maybe a head and shoulders pattern or a double top or a triple top with a broken structure. So you can see from this setup yesterday, we had the first hour breaking out. So it gave us a head. To me this was a head. This was the left shoulder. So we went up, we went down, went up again, went down, and then we went up and closed below. So this is a head and shoulders pattern to me, but you have to wait. You have to wait until the setup plays out. So once we have this head and shoulders pattern, then now I know we are in a reversal. In the bigger picture time frame, we are in a reversal. So if you know we are in a reversal, then the next step is just to look for a suitable entry into the trend, to ride the trend. So how do I do this? Now the first hour breaking out and then closing and locking in the high. So I know that if I look at the first hour, we have already locked in the low, the high I mean. So that is up to 9. And then I wait for 9:30. I wait for 9:30 because that is when we will have our pump. Now I am looking for a stop hunt into those guys who took this trade early. Once we have a stop hunt, I am looking for a pump and dump setup. So first of all, the high has been locked in. Now I'm looking for a pump to the high. It might go back to the high or it might be a mini pump and dump. It doesn't matter. That is what I'm looking for, to give me the most suitable entry that I could ever have. So how do I spot the pump? You can see from 9:30. At 9:30 we have this pump. So after that pump, I draw my line. Now we have the pump, and then we have our M pattern. So following price action, we go up, this red candle goes down, this new candle, blue candle, goes up, and then these two red candles go down. So we have this M pattern and it breaks structure. So this is where we have broken structure. So to me, once we have an M pattern with a broken structure, it is a signal that we might be ending that move and we might be ready for a reversal. But we have to wait for one confirmation. We have to wait for a retest. So this blue candle here represents the retest, and then this red candle engulfs the blue candle, which becomes my entry. So we have an M pattern, an M pattern with the break in structure, retest, and an engulfment candle at 941. That was my entry. So your 30 pips stop loss, 60 pip take profit. And it all happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So I was in and out of this trade in 5 minutes. I'm grateful, but this is my favorite setup. I'm always looking for this setup. It is very rare. It happens maybe once or twice every 2 months. So yeah, this is just in my arsenal. When it comes, I start licking my lips. Backtest it, look for it, and prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Anyway, if you got value from today's video, subscribe. I have a free mentorship course in the Discord, so join the Discord, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.